Really, couple of U.S. presidents have been under 6 feet. My disclaimer, I believe high guys can have as excellent a character as short men. I'm just summarizing the posts on tall women. This all indicates that the short man has been forced to work extra hard on developing his character and charisma, to compensate for not being high. A brief man needs to appreciate his tall lady. This makes him look more positive, because his chin is up. Yes, a high woman actually published this point of view. If a high female gets included with a short male, which then can lead to marital relationship, this decreases the chances that her kids will be remarkably high. Some tall females think short guys are cute and captivating. If a high woman is truly high, like 6'4", and her boyfriend is 6'6", this may attract more annoying attention than if he's 6'1" or 6'2", considering that in the latter case, just one of the couple is extra high. Being open-minded to much shorter guys suggests having more of an option in looking for a perfect partner, specifically if the woman is really tall. When it concerns dating, I don't have a type. I think I like to consider myself as an equivalent chance dater. But I need to admit that I wasn't that open to dating my present sweetheart, who stands at 56 inch, simply like me, at least not in the beginning. In spite of the truth that I wasn't immediately head over heels for him, I consented to meet for drinks. Here, all the reasons why my shorter than average guy ultimately won me over and why you need to give men like him a shot, too. Thankfully, my preferred flat kicks put me at the ideal height for a fast lip lock. This material is imported from Giphy. You may have the ability to discover the exact same material in another format, or you might have the ability to find more info at their website. When the event does call for my greatest heels, I seem like Chrissy Teigen standing next to John Legend, in other words, smokin' hot and supermodel high. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.